Hello and welcome to this Modurol video. In this video I'm going to show you how we replaced our left hand side engine mount on our Ford Fiesta 2012, the 1.25 petrol version. And we did it by using a Meyle, this is actually the old one, without the casting on top. So we swapped the castings over, and we did it also without disturbing the coolant system. We're actually able to remove the expansion tank out of the way without disconnecting the pipes. Anyway, so what made us think our engine mount was worn out? Well, this is actually the new one in place, but on the old one, this gap between the rubber and the actual mount was zero. It's actually collapsed all the way down, and if you put a pry bar in here, you could actually move it quite easily, move the whole car. Currently it's now very, very stiff, much better. When the car was being driven, there was also a clunking noise when you went over rough surfaces, and I think it was basically this mount banging against the side of the engine mount because everything was so loose. The Meyle part number is 714-030-0025 or MEM0907 or reference number 1776911. Tools you're going to need, obviously a decent socket set, but minimum you'll need a 15mm, 16mm socket, an 18mm deep socket, some extensions and a bar, T-bar, and a bar extension. Obviously you can also use a ratchet. You'll also need a 20 and a 21mm spanner. And of course, a trolley jack to support the engine while you undo the mount. So the first thing we need to do is support the bottom of the sump, protected by a block of wood, with the trolley jack to stop the engine coming down as we undo the mount to support the engine on the left hand side. So move the expansion tank off the two mountings. Just pulled it off there, just lever this off a little bit, off a little tank, both. And I think I can get at all the bolts now. So here's the first one, using a 50mm socket. I've also got on the back bolt, using a bit of a wobble socket. Okay, and I've got the last joint. I can tip the tank at an angle, and with a wobble joint, sorry, a joint there, I can get the socket underneath. Okay, so the bolts to the engine, or the nuts, I'm using a 17mm deep socket to undo those, and it just fits underneath. So again, the tank is still at present. Difficult to do one-handed, but you can pull the tank out the way and the engine mount will come out. There you go. Old engine mount out without disconnecting the tank. Okay, so I need to remove this aluminium mount from the top of the mount, because the engine mount, because mine didn't come with the mount, so the cast, I ended up with a bit of a bar on the top to get the bolt loose. Interesting, this gap here, which you can put this 20mm spanner in to stop it rotating. The old mount, this mount was actually flat. This was actually all the way bottom. So I'm not sure if that was why it was worn out. This new Meyle unit seems to be slightly higher rated. I need a 21mm spanner, so it's a bit bigger there, and a 16mm socket, whereas using 15mm to get it off. So I'm just lining it up roughly. Okay, so I've dropped the new engine mount back in, and the holes seem to line up. I've got one bolt in here already, that one will go in, and the one there, it'll slightly tweak, but it will go. That will go. Lined up all the bolts somewhere near. I've made a mark where that needs to be, and I'm going to tighten that up. I can't get in the car to tighten it up, so I'll have to remove it and then line up these lines. Okay, so I've replaced the engine mount now, tightened all the bolts up, and you can see clearly how this tank, which is now a lot cooler than it was, it can be put out of the way without disconnecting the coolant hoses. So there you go, hopefully that's useful if you've got a dodgy engine mount. If you like this sort of thing, we've got more Fiesta and other car videos on the channel. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more Modurol videos. Bye bye.